What if I told you that just by typing a few sentences into ChatGPT, you could fix your budget, save hundreds of dollars every single month, and even start building wealth? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to put it to the test. I asked ChatGPT to become my financial coach, to plan my budget, save me money, get me out of debt, and even guide me towards investing. And the results? Honestly, they shocked me. Stick around until the end because the last prompt I tested is a complete game changer. And almost nobody is talking about it. Let's be honest. Most of us have tried budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even expensive financial advisors. But after a few weeks, we fall off track. The truth is, personal finance is hard because life keeps changing. Bills rise, emergencies happen, and sometimes we just don't have the willpower. That's why I turned to ChatGPT. Unlike a fixed app, it adapts instantly, learns from your situation, and gives you personalized advice. The question is, can a robot really help us manage money better than we do ourselves? Let's find out. The very first prompt I tried was simple. ChatGPT, act as my financial coach. I make $3,000 a month. My rent is $1,200. My groceries are $400, and I have $2,000 in credit card debt. Create a realistic budget plan. Within seconds, ChatGPT broke down my spending. 40% essentials, rent, food, bills, 20% debt repayment, 10% savings, rest discretionary. It even suggested using the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Now here's the crazy part. I once paid a financial advisor almost $200 for this same advice, and ChatGPT gave it to me for free. Next, I wanted to test if I could actually help me save real cash. So I typed, give me 5 creative ways to save $500 in the next 30 days without feeling deprived. Here's what ChatGPT told me. 1. Audit and cancel hidden subscriptions. 2. Negotiate bills using AI-generated scripts. 3. Switch to a high-yield savings account. 4. Cook instead of takeout. Save $150 plus. 5. Resell unused items online. I tried 2 of these immediately. Canceled 2 forgotten subscriptions and used ChatGPT's script to negotiate my internet bill. Result? I saved $150 in just the first week. That's not theory. That's money back in my pocket. Okay, saving is great. But what about growing money? So I asked, based on a $1,000 budget, show me safe beginner-friendly investment options in the US. ChatGPT suggested high-yield savings, safe plus liquid, index funds and ETFs, diversified growth, robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. Important note, this isn't financial advice, it's educational. But what I loved is that AI explained risks clearly, something YouTube get-rich-quick gurus rarely do. It even showed me how $1,000 in an ETF, growing at 8% annually, could become nearly $2,000 in 9 years. Simple math, but powerful to visualize. Debt is one of the biggest struggles worldwide. So I tested ChatGPT with this. Create a 6-month debt payoff plan if I can spare $300 per month. The response? A step-by-step calendar. Month 1 to 3. Pay off smallest credit card. Motivation boost. Month 4 to 6. Redirect freed up money into larger debts. End of 6 months. $1,800 gone. Momentum built. This wasn't just numbers on a page. It felt like a roadmap out of debt. And the best part? Anyone, anywhere can use this, whether you're in the US, India, Africa, or Europe. ChatGPT adjusts to your currency and income level. What makes this so powerful is that it's not limited to one country. Struggling with debt in the US? ChatGPT adapts to dollars. Trying to save in India? It switches to rupees. Building wealth in Africa? It suggests options in local context. This is why AI-powered finance isn't just a trend. It's the future. And for the first time, everyone, no matter where you live, can access financial coaching for free. So what did we learn today? ChatGPT can create a realistic budget, help you save hundreds, guide safe investments, build a debt payoff roadmap, even motivate you daily. This is just the beginning. If this video opened your eyes, imagine what you could achieve with the right prompts. I'll be sharing more AI prompt recipes that will help you save, invest, and grow your money like never before. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check the description for my free AI money prompt pack that you can start using today. Don't just manage your money, prompt it like a pro.